What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Legendary Lead software so you can check out the features for yourself. First up, we're going to start with the funnel library. We just added this. We've added over 100 plus funnel templates here so you can import these, get your website or sales funnel set up quickly, and we've got high quality premium templates for you. You can add a chat widget as well. If you need any customization, it starts as low as $297. We can actually come in, add your logo, customize the site for all your business info, and get that thing launched for you. So if you're on the go, you can check it out on mobile as well and kind of scroll through here. There are quite a few templates, so it can take a little bit to load. We've added this arrow, so if you need to, you can quickly get back to the top section like this. You can also search by funnel category here. So whether you're on the web, in the app, or on mobile, you can find the funnels you're looking for. Once you found those, submit this form. We get that on our end. You'll get a confirmation email, and then we'll push those to your account and send another email once those are loaded. I also want to share some of the key features in here. So let's jump into the Opportunities tab. This is basically your pipeline stage. We do have a mobile app as well, so these are kind of mirroring each other. And just to show you some of the power of this pipeline, every time a lead submits a form or sends in a text message brand new to your business, you can have them automatically come into this lead-in stage. And you can set up each stage of this pipeline to do different things. So in this example, if I drag and drop this card to the next stage, it's going to automatically send a text message for me. So now you can see it's updated on mobile as well. And now that I've dropped this contact card, it's going to send a text message, and I can check all the contact communication here. I can actually call this lead if I want to, right from this tab. If I want to book an appointment or add a task reminder, I can do that as well. If I click on the actual card, it's going to expand the user's contact info, tell them where they came in from. You can add notes right here. So here's a demo note added. You can delete, edit, update notes as you want. So all that can be tracked visually. If you receive a response from a lead, you can have that automatically move them to a certain pipeline stage. And at that point, you could get on the phone with the lead who is already qualified. So super powerful potential of the pipeline feature. Conversations tab is going to be one place you spend a lot of time. So you can see that text we just sent out showed up right there. That was sent from an SMS template, which is customized to each user's name. You can send those by clicking on the template button, selecting the template you want to use, and then it will populate here. So you can add any kind of custom data you would like about a contact. You've got name, email, phone, address, state. You can add custom fields as well. So in the real estate niche, a lot of people who have worked with me have found that just sending the street address instead of the full address has helped not only in deliverability, but in getting replies back from people. So instead of saying, hey, do you still own 123 Fake Street, whatever city, USA, they'll say, hey, do you still own Fake Street? Or something like that. And that really helps. So play around with that, using custom fields and sending the best message that you can. So once you've imported a funnel, we'll show you where it goes here in the Sites tab. Let's take this coaching one, for example. Now you can edit this page, you can preview it. This is how it looks on desktop. These are mobile responsive as well, so it's all quality templates built out of the gate. Now this is without the chat widget. If I go to settings, I can enable that, hit save, and we'll relaunch the site. And now we do have a chat widget which will capture leads. And once people submit this form, by default it's set up for them to go into your opportunities pipeline here on the chat widget stage as well. So you'll know when leads come in from that chat widget, you can come in here and respond. We do send an auto response as well, saying we've got their initial contact and we'll be in touch with them. So another good opportunity, if you want to generate more leads, you can add a website and add that to your profile, your social medias, as you're prospecting. Get the message out that way as well. So in addition, you're going to get a scheduling page. If you've ever booked a call with me, you've received follow-up reminders by email, and then 10 minutes before the session, I also send a text message letting you know that the session's coming up and giving you the Zoom link. So all that is ready for you out of the gate as well. You'll get a funnel that looks like this. You can add your logo to, change any of this information if you want, and optionally add the chat widget here as well. People can just pick a time they want to book, fill out their information here, hit book appointment, and all those automated reminders will go out. If you're looking to upload a list of contacts, this is where you'll do it from the Contacts tab. You can see these are all demo leads. If you want to upload a list, you'll hit Import Contacts here. You can upload a file or drag and drop a CSV file here. It's going to auto map any headers that you have to default fields if the headers match. So once you get your file uploaded the first time, you can see which fields you should name your headers, and then in the future it'll auto map those for you. You can always review the mapping as well before you hit upload, and then just upload your data. You can optionally add tags as well at the time of upload to later track your list. So this is a tag, demo contact. This could be your list tag. You can add multiple tags at the time of upload. So in this section, once you've uploaded leads, if you want to send a text message, you could click this check mark to highlight all records. And then if you have multiple records on multiple pages, you can just click select all and hit send SMS. So it's going to take place over a period of time. At this point, you'll have three options: send all at once, send at a scheduled time, or send in drip mode. I always recommend sending in drip mode. Up here, you can type your message in. Again, you have those contact fields you can populate with your custom fields available as well. So if you want to include customized names, address, all that stuff is available for you. You can also choose from your templates right there. Enter an action name. This will be in your tracking report later on. So if you want to enter that, you can do that. Choose when to start. So you can pick today. Your batch quantity is how many are going to go out at a time. It will repeat every 2 minutes. I don't want it to go out on Saturday and Sunday, and I only want it to send between the hours of 9 and 4:30 p.m. Then I can just click send SMS and it will be scheduled. You can track your sending in bulk actions once you've hit send. So super powerful way to send a bunch of texts at once or get them scheduled. You can also add people to a campaign from here if you want. So if you have workflow set up with multiple layers like sending texts, sending voicemail drops, sending emails, you can add them to those from here. You can send emails. You can change the pipeline stage of multiple contacts at once. If you're looking for specific contacts, you can use the filters here to filter by whatever data you're looking for. If you want to find someone who has a certain tag, you can use that filter here, hit apply, and it will show you the people who match that criteria. You can add multiple criteria as well. So if you want people whose first name is Katie and have that tag, it will show you that criteria. Then you can save this as a smart list. If you do that, it's going to populate up at the top, and then anyone who matches this criteria in the future will be automatically added to this list. And when someone stops matching this criteria, they will be removed from the list. So she has the demo contact tag and her name is Katie. If I go into her contact and I remove that tag, now if I go back to my smart list, she is no longer in that list because she no longer has that tag. So it's a really cool, powerful feature to dial in on different aspects that you want to track. And if we add that tag back, again, we go back to the smart list again, now she's back in the list. You can filter for things like last activity date, so you can always see your freshest leads and get real creative with how you want to slice and dice your data using smart lists. So with all that being said, hopefully you can see the power of the system. Obviously there's a lot more to it that'll go on in the background and you'll have to get up to speed. We do have a membership onboarding course with training videos on each feature so you can get up to speed quick. And as always, if you need to, feel free to book a call with me, jump on a Zoom if you have any issues. But with that being said, hopefully you're ready to join soon on the Legendary team. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully this is something that you can use in your business, and I look forward to partnering with you in the future. Stay legendary.